How to delete your Pinterest account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can permanently delete our Pinterest account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, deleting your Pinterest account is very simple. Make sure that you have updated the Pinterest app to the latest version, because we're going to do it from the application. Once you update it, I'm just going to go over and then open Pinterest. You want to make sure you are logged into the correct account which you want to delete, and as you do that, you will see this kind of interface after you are logged in. What you have to do is, in order to delete our account, you just need to go to the account or the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you come to your profile page on Pinterest, tap on the three dots which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen. As you tap on the three dots, you'll be able to see all these options. Now just go to the one that says settings right over here. As you go to settings, again you'll be able to see all sorts of various options. Just go to another option that says account management right on third option. Once you go to account management over here, if you look at the bottom, you can see it says delete your data and account. So all you have to do in order to delete our Pinterest account is to tap on this option, and it will ask us for a confirmation that closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back, etc, etc, and so on. So just tap on the continue button over here. As you tap on continue, you can just select the reason as to why you're leaving and just tap on the send email button. Once you do that, an email will be, final steps will be sent to your account. So just go ahead and then log in to that particular email address which you have. So I'll also just go ahead and then open up my mailbox. Once I open up my mailbox, you want to make sure that you are logged into the correct account, and you'll find the email from Pinterest over here. And what you want to do is just tap on that email, and you can see last security check. So just tap on the yes delete account button over here, and it'll ask us for a confirmation in the next page. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then delete your Pinterest account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.